How to find the Wi-Fi password of any particular Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the Wi-Fi password of the network in Windows 11. So as here you can see that in my screen currently, if I show you, I am connected to this particular Wi-Fi network, and for example, let's say I have connected to this Wi-Fi network but I do not know the password of this network, or let's say I have forgotten the password. So in this situation, what you can do is use the control panel of your Windows 11 to actually get the password of your Wi-Fi network again. So as here you can see, this is the Wi-Fi network that I am talking about. So in order to start, let's first access the control panel of our Windows 11 computer. So to access the control panel, simply go towards the search bar and search for control panel, and under the best match you might see this application that says control panel, which is a system application. So simply double click onto the control panel application, and from here it will lead you to this particular page. Now under the control panel you can see this option of network and internet. So simply click onto the network and internet option. Then under the network and internet option you can see further these two options. The first one is the network and sharing center, and the another one is the internet option. So you need to click onto the first option, that is the network and sharing center. So once you have clicked onto this, you can see this particular interface where on the left hand side it will show you the Wi-Fi name, and on the right hand side it will show you the access type internet and the connections. So what you need to do is simply click onto this connections line here, which is written in this blue font. So once you will click here, you can see this dialog box, and this dialog box will contain a variety of information. It will also include this particular diagram where it will show you the sent and received bytes of data from this particular internet connection. So the next thing that you want to do is simply click onto this wireless properties button, and once you will do this, a new dialog box will appear which will show you these following details of name, SSID, network type, and network availability. So you don't need to click onto this connection tab. What you need to do is simply go to this security tab, and it will show you the security type that is currently set to the WPA3 personal, and the encryption type, that is the AES encryption, and on the third line it will show you the network security key. So this is basically the password of this Wi-Fi network. So in order to look or see through this security key, what you need to do is simply click onto this particular check mark that says show characters. So simply click onto this check mark, and here you can see that the password for this particular Wi-Fi network is password 123. So basically this complete line is the password itself for this Wi-Fi network. So that's how easily you can see the password of any internet Wi-Fi connection. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.